It's just Mila. Hey, 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 I love you all. Welcome back to my channel. It's just Mila.
Welcome back to my channel. It's just Mila, and in today's video, I didn't follow my own advice. So my last video, the truth about crochet braids, I specifically said when you get to the perimeter of your head, not to do the invisible method. And everyone, I did the invisible method in the front of my head. I was supposed to do the knotted method, but I was in a rush and I completely forgot. I really finished my whole head and I made the mistake, and I'm going to show you why it's not the best thing to do. If you look, you can see my braids peeping through the entire perimeter of my head. And it's doing that because I did the invisible method and I should not have, so yeah. Also, if you want to see my braid pattern, please go to my IG page. The name is JusMeLah, the same as my YouTube page, because I have photos up of the braid pattern I did, which allowed me to put my hair in this fabulous bun. And I'm going to give you a look right now on how I'm able to do this ponytail using the braid pattern that is featured on my Instagram page. In the back, yes. On the sides. So check out my IG so you can see that picture, so you can do it too. So you can do it too. I'm excited, so I'll calm down. So what I'm gonna do in today's video is I'm going to try and correct the mistake that I made. In my mind, I feel like maybe if I do the knotted method right behind the front row of the crochet braids, if it will disguise the braid. I mean, I know it will disguise the braid. I just wonder, will it look okay? Because as you can see, it's hella flat right here, which is the beauty of invisible. And then you're gonna have a knot behind it. So if you wanna see what it ends up looking like, then stick around. I'm also going to add more hair because it's not as full as I would like it to be. My last install, I used 3 packs of the free tress hair in the pattern Deep Twist. And this time around, I only put in 2.5 packs. So I'm gonna begin crocheting. I've separated the front row so that I can go behind it and start installing the knotted method of the crochet hair. Okay, so I'm going to start in the center and I'm going to see what happens. If it works, good to go. If not, I'll figure it out. So I pinched off a small piece of hair. I have my latch hook. I pulled both strands through, pinch off 1/3 or 1/4 of the hair. I'm gonna knot it twice. Then take the 1/3, split that in half, and knot it twice. And let's see. Let's hope. It works. Look. You can't see the braid. Going to do another one. So I'll do 2 rows behind each of these. So this is the braid you're looking at, this one in comparison to this one. A or B, and now I'm gonna fix B. It's working, folks. So this was A, this is B now. And it's working, so I'm going to come back when I finish and show you the final product. Okay. And I am back, and this is the finished product. Let me know if you can see a difference. I'm going to give you a close-up of the perimeter since that was the focus for today's video. And so you no longer can see my braids. In the future, I definitely am going to do what I said in my video, The Truth About Crochet Braids, which is doing invisible the entire way through and then around the perimeter doing the knotted method. I'm gonna take the hair down so you can see how it looks down. I wanna be ready. So this is the hair down. Yeah, this is the hair down. I'll turn around. This side. And from the front. So from the front, I would wear it down the center, and I'm sure I'll still cut and play around with the shape of the hair, but overall I'm likely gonna keep this hair up in a bun or in a ponytail, which could be super cute since the hair is so full. So and you could ponytail it. This is kind of giving me a side ponytail. Oh, but you know. I wanna be ready to, however you wanna do it, okay? If that's not what you wanna do, just twirl it around, and now you have another kind of bun. You would just secure it however you want. I'm just gonna use a clip right now, but yep. This is the finished product, and check out my Instagram page so that you can see the braid pattern that I used to achieve this crochet style. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will continue to post videos with different tips and tricks and reminders about how to make your crochet braids as seamless and flawless as possible. It's JusMeLah. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you to all of the people who commented on my Truth About Crochet Braids. I don't know, it's just fun for me. I really enjoy responding and answering your questions. So let's keep this up, keep this conversation going, and of course, share. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.